Hey, it's Gordon from Kolena, and in this quick demo, I'm going to show you how you can use Kolena to dig into model failures for an automatic speech recognition model. In this case, we're using the open source LibreSpeech dataset, and we're going to look at predictions from this Whisper Translate model. So we'll start by jumping into our quality standards view, where we can see things like word error rate, character error rate, match error rate for each of the different test cases we've defined across this dataset. And we see here that this Whisper model is performing pretty poorly, has a relatively high word error rate and character error rate on this first quartile of tempo. This is people who are speaking the most slowly inside these audio files. So we can click in here to get to the studio and dig into maybe the reason why this is happening. So I want to show, let's look here, and first let's look at just the audio file and the transcript with its character count. And we'll look at just this character error rate. And in order to see the ground truth transcript versus the predicted transcript, we'll configure this diff comparison here by clicking here. I'll do compare against the Whisper Translate transcript. And now you see we've got the original transcript up top and the predicted transcript below with any diff highlighted in red and green. Let's look for places where we're performing poorly. So I'm going to sort by descending character error rate. And let's see, we've got a lot of short ones here. So I'm actually also going to filter for ones where our character count is above 50. And let's see what we can learn when we look at this. So we've got 1,100 data points that match these criteria. And we can see that, this model seems to have predicted an entire sentence, maybe repeated the sentence again a second time. And we can listen to this audio file here to quickly verify that the ground truth transcript is in fact correct in this point. So we see in this case that there's actually a lot of cases where the model either missed the first sentence or added a bunch of repeated stuff to the end. And maybe we now have this insight that we can go use to improve the model in its next iteration. So thanks for listening and happy testing.